So Felix, Panasonic is offering a full lineup of one chip DLP projector with exchangeable lenses of up to 15,000 lumens. That gives a lot of flexibility for professionals to improve the way they work. Can you walk us through the lineup of lenses that we're seeing here?
Yeah, so let me start. One chip DLP, we have that starting at 6,000 lumen, going all the way up to 15, as you said. In the lower brightness, we have some models with fixed lenses, but from 6,000 we have also interchangeable lenses. So on the DLP projectors, lenses, of course, are an important part. And the lens lineup that we have here, we introduced, I think, a little less than a year ago, and is a full upgrade of the existing lens lineup. We have the entire lens lineup from the ultra short roll to the long zoom lenses, and we do that with the lowest number of lenses, which means that if you're, for example, a rental company, you do not have to invest in a lot of lenses. You have fewer lenses that will cover the range for you. If you're doing just a one-off fixed installation, the longer zoom range that you get with each individual lens means that you have a higher flexibility. You can have the projector closer, further away, without having to decide maybe in advance where do I want it exact, because you have a good range of zoom possibilities with the lenses. Lenses are made for 4K. They really shine in the extra resolution, the crisp image. A lot of innovation went into these lenses. That is what you get with Panasonic. You don't just get a lens that works. We've done an awful lot of work on coatings and internal reflections, all extremely technical. It's lens design is one of those last, like, a really Japanese trade skills where it really comes down to knowledge that's been handed down for generations almost. But there's still a lot that we can improve, and the growing brightness in the projectors gives us new challenges to overcome. And with the C1 series, we made a gigantic step improving overall image quality on so many levels.
Certainly flexibility and innovation is something that we all can see here, but talking about cheap DLP technology, which is widely used, as we know, in the professional projectors, but what are the main key advantages?
Without getting too technical, projection is about lights and colors. And so we are projecting lights and we want to have the best color reproduction. The technology of a DLP chip is based in mirrors. Every single pixel that you put on the screen is represented by a mirror on a very, very, very small chip. Mirrors are extremely durable. We've got lots of castles from the Middle Ages where mirrors are still hanging on the wall, reflecting your image as they did 100 years ago. So the durability of the mirror system to represent pixels is extremely high, which means that in projection you can continue to use your projector, even though light source might decay in brightness over time, as all lamps do. They don't end as bright as they once started. But the chip technology itself maintains the actual quality without any degradation in the image quality. But that is key here.
Felix, let's talk about the C1 lenses. What makes these lenses very special?
I think what we've done is we've developed on the road that we took with our previous lenses, but we adapted them for what we're doing at the moment. So when we arrived in the one chip DLP with higher brightnesses, like 15,000 lumen now for the top model, with higher brightnesses come bigger challenges, like extra heat that we need to work with. With more brightness comes how are you going to handle contrast? So in these lenses, when we were developing, we worked really hard on developing the technology to increase contrast, to minimize unwanted reflections, basically optimize the quality even further than we already did, because we were forced to by more resolution, more brightness, and the lenses needed to evolve with it.
So Felix, thank you so much for sharing your insights and giving us a glimpse of what's in the future coming into the visual technologies. So to all our viewers, stay tuned, and as we are going to get more exclusive coverage from ISE to you, bringing you the latest from the world's leading AV and system integration event here from Barcelona.